friends, here we're going to draw a cute firefly in a jar.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along. You ready to start?
Yes.
First, I want to give you a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end. These are a lot of fun, and I hope you're excited to follow along with us.
I really love how both of our drawings look different.
Yeah, they don't look exactly the same. And that's okay if our friends' drawings look different too, because the most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
We're also using markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have, like colored pencils or even crayons. Let's start by drawing our firefly's face. We're going to draw it right in the middle of our paper. I'm going to draw a happy firefly. So we've got a little smile. And then I'm also going to draw a bigger curve or U shape underneath so that my firefly's mouth is open. And our friends, you guys can change your funny face on your firefly. You don't have to draw the same as us. You could add teeth. You don't have to draw it open. Let's color the top shape. Yes. Okay, and then let's draw some eyes. I'm going to draw a small little circle on each side. Oh, these are really small. Usually we draw big eyes. Mm-hmm. I like it that yours are ovals too instead of circles. And we can color in the eye, but I always like leaving a little white highlight to make the eyes shiny. Now let's draw our firefly's head. We're going to draw an upside down U for the top of our firefly's head. And then, yes, there you go. And then we're going to draw the cheeks and the chin on the bottom of our head. Okay, now let's draw the body. And we're going to draw it starting here. And we're going to draw it coming down, over, and up. And then let's draw a little line for the glowing bottom part of our firefly. And then let's give our little firefly some arms. I'm going to draw one sticking out here. And we could just do two. Maybe we can fit three in. I'm going to draw another one down. And then these legs, I'm going to draw this way, right here, and then one sticking down. And what's our firefly missing?
His wings.
Yeah, wings and also antennas. Let's draw those too. We'll draw two little curves sticking out on both sides. And we could also draw a little oval at the end to make them thicker. And then let's draw the wings. I'm going to start here, right at the bottom of the head. And we'll draw it curving up and back into the head. And then let's draw another smaller wing, kind of pointing to the side and down. There's our little firefly, and let's catch it in a jar.
Yes.
Okay. Let's draw two lines. I'm going to draw one right here and one right here. And my jar is kind of getting wider towards the bottom, but you could draw them more parallel if you want. Then at the bottom, I'm going to turn my paper sideways so I can see better. We're going to curve around for the bottom and curve back up over here on the right. Then at the very top, we're going to curve in for the lid. I'm going to curve in on both sides, trying to match. And then let's draw the lid. I'm going to draw this side. Oh, maybe just curve up a little bit too, just for fun. And then we can draw the lid. I'm going to draw it coming across and connecting and going a little past on both sides. And then let's draw two lines coming up, straight up. And then let's draw a line connecting those together. And we did it! We caught our little firefly. Except we still need to
Color him.
Yeah, he's really cute, but he's gonna look even better colored in. This part will speed up, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our fireflies, and they turned out so much better all colored in.
Yeah.
And I hope our friends will take time to color their drawings too.
You could also add more things in the background.
Yeah, like extra fireflies. Maybe they're flying around the outside.
Trying to release him.
Yeah, trying to set him free. I also like that we colored the whole jar yellow, but we have this blue border for the glass, and we also have little sparkles on the outside.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a cute firefly.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.